they called me and asked me if I'd come look at it. We had to separate each level completely out of it to find out that the pump was bad. We're painting it with Flex Seal and hoping that that's going to be a new product for us. But this is what I do, any kind of challenge landscape-wise. We do waterfalls, ponds, any type of water feature. We build crazy different stuff. We try not to do the same thing twice. I moved here in the 60s, so my family and my wife's families, we just know everybody. So we do referral only, so we just go from one job to the next. Everybody's just so nice. We will be able to allow the Flex Seal to sit for 3 days, and then we will start filling this up. We're going to get us a new stainless steel pump, be able to put plenty of water up in here, so by this next weekend we will be open for business. Here at a place that people are going to come to, if you don't have some sort of water feature, sitting on a bench, it's just sitting on a bench. You can do that anywhere. To hear the tranquility of water dropping just makes you want to stay on these benches and enjoy all this.